This is the next in our video about programming for Python. Today we're going to be doing a program on variables. First thing I do is I put in a comment saying that this is a variables program. I'm trying to get the students into the habit of writing comments so that they know what it's about. Now, the most simple variable I can do is a equals and whatever we put in that. So we'll put a value in there, say today of 3. So a is the variable. A is like a box or a container that you can store some information in. And in this case, we're storing the value of 3. Now, we can print that value. We just do a simple print statement, and we can say print a. And if we save that file, Command S, and then we run it, we should get the 3 comes out over here. Okay, so it's a simple box that holds something. Now we could put another box in. We could put b equals 5, and then we could do print a plus b, and we should get the result, right? Save your file. So a variable essentially is a box that can hold some information. Later on, we're going to talk about boxes that can hold lots of information, an array. We'll talk about a tuple, we'll talk about a list, we'll talk about a dictionary and those sorts of things. But the simple thing for you to start with to think about is that a variable is a box that can hold something. It can also hold a word. So C could equal a string, and inside that string could be hello, and then we could go just print in here C, Command S, run module, and in this situation the box holds a word instead of just holding a number, an integer. It can hold anything, right? You can have your variable holding whatever you like inside of it, and then you can call that variable back and see what's in it.